If you're thinking about starting a directory business, you've probably asked yourself, where do I build this? Well, we asked ourselves the same question. Today, I'm going to tell you what we chose and why, based on all of the options available. And I'm also going to give you some valuable tips throughout the video on how to make money with your directory, no matter what you choose. So stick around until the end. So you might want to grab a pen and paper and take some notes if you're serious about making money with a directory. The key contenders I'm going to compare are WordPress and GoHighLevel, because I'm assuming you don't want to try to build something from scratch. And as a former software engineer with 10 years of experience who has straight up done just that, I'm going to advise you not to build something from scratch unless you have the time and expertise to do so. Instead, I'll assume you want to get up and running so you can make money as fast as possible with your directory. So let's get into it. First, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what these platforms actually are. WordPress is a content management system, a CMS, basically software that helps you create and manage websites, and generally without needing a developer or needing to know how to code for the basics. It's been around for over 20 years, starting in 2003, and has grown to power 43+% of all websites on the internet. That's over 500 million websites, according to the latest data from W3 Techs. We're talking about major sites like Sony Music and the Walt Disney Company's website. It's open source, which means it's free to use, and there's a massive ecosystem of themes, plugins, and developers supporting it. For directories specifically, WordPress offers several popular plugins that add directory functionality to your website. The main contenders are GeoDirectory, Business Directory plugin, and directories. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is completely different. It's an all-in-one marketing and sales platform that also happens to build websites. It was created in 2018, much newer than WordPress. And according to their latest data, they're approaching 70,000 customers across 140 countries with $82 million in revenue in 2024. GoHighLevel isn't just a website builder though. It's a complete CRM, email marketing system, SMS platform, calendar booking system, sales funnel builder, and website creator all rolled into one. Think of it as getting HubSpot, MailChimp, Calendly, and WordPress combined into a single platform. The platform was specifically designed for agencies and businesses that need to capture leads, nurture them, and convert them into customers, which is exactly what directory businesses need to do to make money. And this is important because your choice of platform for your directory is going to have a huge impact on your business. From how much ongoing maintenance and support you need, to costs, to whether you may need to hire a developer in the future, to what you can charge for a premium listing based on the features that you can deliver, to how much time you need to spend each month doing tasks versus automating them. But let's take a step back and start by talking about what building a directory on WordPress actually looks like in practice. You'll need to choose from several directory plugins, each with their own approach and pricing model. The popular options range from $99 to $500 plus per year for the features you actually need to run a directory website. Based on user reviews across the WordPress ecosystem, users regularly praise the plugins and their support, although reviews from several years ago were more lukewarm across the board. So here's what WordPress gets right for directory businesses. Major directory sites like parts of Yelp and TripAdvisor were built on WordPress foundations. It can absolutely scale and perform. SEO excellence. WordPress is built for search engines, and directory sites can rank exceptionally well with proper setup. Design flexibility. This varies if you're using a plugin. Some have a free theme and multiple premium themes to choose from, or you could completely build your own using a plugin and have unlimited customization options. If you can imagine it, you can build it. If you have a team. Strong plugin ecosystem. Mature, well-supported directory plugins with years of development and hundreds or thousands of users. Cost control. You own everything, no platform restrictions. There's a plugin for almost anything, and many are free, although the ones that you'll probably want are going to be paid. That said, you can have a WordPress site for no monthly fees beyond hosting. It's a good idea to have security and data backup as well, though, at a minimum. But here's what users don't always think of upfront when deciding which platform to use. The business challenges. Building a functional directory requires integrating up to 12 different systems depending upon your exact setup. Directory plugin for listings, payment gateway for transactions, email marketing for follow-up, security plugin for protection, backup systems for safety in case your data gets corrupted, SEO plugins for visibility, analytics for tracking, CRM for customer management. It's easy to spend 40 to 80 hours plus just getting everything set up and configured properly, even if you're fairly comfortable using WordPress itself. And that's just the initial setup. Ongoing maintenance can just as easily eat up 10 plus hours per month with managing updates, security, and troubleshooting plugin conflicts. Again, this can vary heavily depending upon what combinations of plugins you choose, but you want to be aware of it. But here's the biggest issue for directory businesses. WordPress plugins are optimized for display, not conversion. When someone submits their business to your directory, this is what typically happens. A form submission goes to an email notification to you, manual email follow-up if you remember to reach out to the customer. There's no automated email sequences, no automated nurturing sequences, no integrated payment processing for upgrades, no customer lifecycle management. This is why most WordPress directory owners struggle to monetize beyond just the basics, like maybe getting some premium listings here or there. They build beautiful directories that display listings very well, but they just don't have the business systems to convert those listings into the kind of sustainable revenue they need. And it takes too much time and effort before they see results. In my personal experience, it's important to get quick wins early to give you the motivation to keep working. These signals and first successes keep you going. So if you're like most people without integrated conversion systems built into your directory setup, you'll find it difficult to hit those first few critical wins quickly. The missing piece here isn't the directory functionality, it's the business development infrastructure. And if you want that piece of the pie, then you'll need to do the setup yourself. That said, WordPress directory plugins are genuinely very good at what they're designed for. But if your goal is building a profitable directory business rather than just displaying listings, you need to think beyond just the website plugin. One of my biggest hurdles in business when I started was that I took too small a view of the business and I didn't think enough about the systems to support it. That's not to say you need the highest level tier of anything when starting out, or that you should build out all these things you don't need yet. That's the opposite. But you also don't want to shoot yourself in the foot by being short-sighted, so you need a balance. Now, let's talk about GoHighLevel's approach to directory businesses and why it's fundamentally different. In full transparency here, when we were figuring out what platform to build Smart Directory AI on, we ran this exact kind of comparison and chose GoHighLevel. Our main priorities were getting a directory site set up quickly and easily, being able to build and make sales right away, and number 3, being able to sell marketing services, the main revenue generator for the agency, through a directory itself. So I'm going to tell you why you might want to choose GoHighLevel for your directory. Again, this is based on our own reasoning behind choosing it ourselves, an actual agency experience, using a directory as the cornerstone of prospecting and building $1 million plus per year agency. And why even though GoHighLevel is 1,000% not what you'd think of first when you think of creating a directory website, it offers more of what you need to monetize your directory if you run an agency or if you want passive directory income. The key difference is that GoHighLevel was built from the ground up as a business development platform. So you have built-in tools, not third-party plugins, that can make sure when someone submits their business to your directory or claims a listing, they don't just become a listing. They automatically become a lead in your CRM system. This means that you can automatically send welcome email sequences, follow up via SMS if they don't complete their profile, offer premium upgrades through automated campaigns, schedule consultation calls, offer additional marketing services, track their lifetime value, process payments for featured listings, and much more, all from one extremely robust platform. This CRM integration is what makes Smart Directory AI users profitable so quickly, and it's made possible because it's built on GoHighLevel. So it's not just a directory, it's a lead generation and conversion machine that works no matter what, while you sleep or while you watch awesome YouTube videos that compare WordPress to GoHighLevel. Now, do you need Smart Directory AI to build out all of these functions in GoHighLevel? No. It would take a lot of work, but it's possible for you to do it on your own. The main point is that if you're creating a business, then you can't just think about the front end, that is the client-facing website. You also have to consider the back end, where you really make your money. GoHighLevel is that entire system, and their support is next level amazing. You can hop on a live support call with someone from GoHighLevel 24/7, 365. That's insane. So your business won't be stuck in limbo for 24 to 48 hours or more waiting for an email reply from a support team member. All-in-one integration. Your website, CRM, email marketing, SMS, payment processing, calendar booking, everything works together seamlessly from day one. Zero app or plugin conflicts. You'll have very few, if any, plugins called apps in GoHighLevel to manage, update, or troubleshoot. Everything is built into the platform, and these function differently from WordPress plugins and integrate much more seamlessly into GoHighLevel and are far less clunky than WordPress plugins. Built-in AI tools. This one is huge. Native AI integration for chat, lead qualification, content creation, customer service, and much more. GoHighLevel was built to handle agencies with hundreds of clients. Your directory won't break under traffic loads or high volume automation. It's built for that. Revenue-focused design. The entire platform is designed around converting leads into paying customers and managing exactly what directory businesses need to really pull in revenue. GoHighLevel isn't perfect, and I want to be upfront with the limitations. It does have a higher monthly cost, starting at $97 per month, versus WordPress with hosting starting around $25 per month. There's also a learning curve. GoHighLevel is powerful, but there's a lot to learn if you want to use all the features effectively. That said, if you're using Smart Directory AI for your directory, all of the setup is done for you. So out of the box, business listings that you upload will be put into your CRM, and your site will automatically reach out to them to try to convert them into paying customers. Less design flexibility. GoHighLevel is newer, so there aren't quite as many themes as with WordPress. However, if your main goal is to have a directory site set up quickly and running as fast as possible, so you can make money as fast as possible, then you shouldn't worry about this. Often people use customization and picking a theme as a way of procrastinating. If your goal is to make money, fewer design choices means less friction between you and getting paying customers. Newer platform. As I mentioned, GoHighLevel has only been around since 2018. So it has a smaller community compared to WordPress's 20-year ecosystem. That said, that also means they have a much more modern tech stack, and they're built for the needs of the 2020s, not the early 2000s. Hence why their AI tool integrations are so impressive. Directory business systems. Okay, so unless you just skipped to this point in the video, you probably know which platform we recommend. But in case you did, I want to address something that's crucial that most people miss when starting a directory business: the business part. Your website is absolutely critical. It's the foundation of everything, but it's just one piece of building a successful directory business. You also need to think about lead generation and traffic strategies, conversion systems and follow-up processes, pricing systems and monetization models, customer service and retention systems, marketing and promotional campaigns, community building and engagement, ongoing business development and scaling. The platform you choose affects how easily you can integrate all of these pieces. A platform like WordPress makes you stitch everything together with multiple tools or plugins, whereas GoHighLevel gives you an integrated system where everything works together. Here's what happens in a successful directory business. 1, someone finds your directory 99% of the time because you reached out, but occasionally they'll find your directory on their own and submit or claim their listing that way. Then those automated sequences come through and nurture them to let them know about a paid plan. And whether they purchase that premium listing or not, a later nurture sequence advises them of marketing services you provide. Then they can book a consultation or call to discuss marketing with you directly. When that goes well, payment processing is handled seamlessly and the transaction flows through the system. Then they're moved into a customer retention sequence, and you can report to them and let them know how their campaigns are going. You can also track their customer lifetime value and expansion opportunities. All of this is done on autopilot in a successful business. The most you do to move them through this process is click a few buttons to approve their listing claim or hop on a call with them to discuss how your agency can help. And then of course, provide the services. With WordPress, you're mainly connecting 5 to 7 different tools to make this happen at a minimum. With an integrated platform, it's all built in and working together from day one. WordPress solves the problem of needing a website, while GoHighLevel solves the problem of running an agency and using a website as just part of that equation. And this brings up another critical point: learning how to build the complete business, not just the website. When you choose WordPress, you're learning from scattered YouTube videos, plugin documentation, and forum posts. You're piecing together a business strategy from dozens of different sources. With Smart Directory AI built on GoHighLevel, you get the complete business training, step-by-step video courses, written guides, live Q&A calls, tech support, and an active online community where successful users share strategies and results. So you're not just getting a website template, you're getting proven business systems, marketing strategies, and ongoing support to build the entire directory business successfully. This is the stuff people pay thousands of dollars for because they accelerate your business instead of giving you obstacle after obstacle to muddle through. Okay, so what really matters? When choosing a platform, you need to think beyond just building a website. You need a complete profitable business. Think about choosing WordPress if that's all you want, just a directory website, and you don't care too much about the business aspect or making money. Also, if you enjoy learning about technical systems and have that time, that 40+ hours for setup, you already have experience with WordPress and your own CRM integration, and you have a reliable team or developer to handle all the technical aspects, or if you want maximum control over design and customization options, and you're comfortable with managing multiple tools and integrations, and have a clear plan for lead nurturing and conversion systems that's already worked for you. Additionally, if time to revenue isn't your primary concern, then WordPress might be a good solution. However, choose GoHighLevel with Smart Directory AI if the integrated approach makes sense. That is, you want to focus on the business growth rather than the technical setup. You need proven systems that work together automatically. You value comprehensive training and ongoing support. And speed to revenue is important to you. Also, if you prefer having one integrated platform over managing multiple tools, if you want access to a community of successful directory owners and agency owners, if you're serious about building a profitable directory business quickly, then you want to choose GoHighLevel. Because when you're choosing GoHighLevel with Smart Directory AI, you're not just choosing a website builder, you're choosing your complete business infrastructure and support system. And if you're choosing WordPress, you're choosing the directory first approach. That is, the website without as much consideration of the back-end business. All right, so final thoughts. I told you we're biased, picked GoHighLevel for good reason, but both approaches can work. They just serve different types of entrepreneurs. WordPress gives you the ultimate website flexibility, but can require significant technical knowledge and investment in time and money and effort. Meanwhile, GoHighLevel, specifically with Smart Directory AI, gives you the complete business system with proven templates, training, and ongoing support. So the question isn't really which platform is better in theory, it's which approach fits your skills, available time, and business goals. And again, yes, we're obviously biased, but I wanted to show you why Smart Directory AI wasn't built on WordPress. And instead, out of all the tools available, it was built directly onto GoHighLevel. So if you're leaning toward the complete business system approach, here's exactly what's included in Smart Directory AI beyond just the website. You'll see the complete training curriculum, the proven customer outreach templates, real case studies from successful users, and how the community support system works to help you succeed. Click the link in the description to explore the complete Smart Directory AI system, the training, the templates, community, and ongoing support that turns your directory into a profitable business. And if this business-focused approach to directory building was helpful, make sure you subscribe. I focus on complete and proven business systems and strategies, not just individual tools, because that's what creates real results. Plus, the more people who subscribe, the more often they let me out of my cage. And if enough of you subscribe, they might even start feeding me. Until next time, have a good one.